Imagine this, you with the same old job but tripling your income in just 6 months. Sounds too good to be true, right? But what if I told you that plenty of people out there have already done it? And no, it's not magic, it's strategy. Now think about it. Have you ever noticed how some people seem to effortlessly thrive, turning everything into money? Do they know something you don't? What if you could find out today and start applying it right away? Hold on. Before anything else, have you ever thought about how great it would be to eliminate those financial worries that keep you up at night? Well, if you're curious, stick around till the end, because what you're about to learn could be a game changer for your financial life. Ready? Basic financial education is the foundation of any strategy to increase income. Imagine trying to build a house without a solid foundation. It's the same with your finances. Understanding fundamental concepts like budgeting, saving, investing, and compound interest is essential. It's not just about knowing how much you earn and how much you spend, but about understanding how to make your money work for you. It's like learning the rules of a game before starting to play. Without that, you'll always be at a disadvantage. Have you heard of compound interest? It's a powerful concept that can either work for you or against you. When you invest money and the generated interest starts earning interest as well, you're on the right track to increasing your income. To better understand, imagine you invest $1,000 in an investment that yields 10% per year. At the end of the first year, you'll have $1,100. The initial $1,000 plus $100 in interest. In the second year, the 10% won't be calculated just on the initial $1,000, but on the $1,100, resulting in $1,210. This process continues, and each year the interest is calculated on an increasingly larger amount, making your money grow faster than if it were invested with simple interest. To take advantage of the benefits of compound interest, it's crucial to start investing as soon as possible. Even small amounts, when left invested for long periods, can turn into significant sums. The secret is patience and consistency. The earlier you start, the more time your money will have to grow. Additionally, making regular contributions, even small ones, can further enhance the effect of compound interest. There are various ways to invest and take advantage of compound interest. One of the most common is through savings accounts, although there are other more profitable options such as treasury bonds, mutual funds, stocks, among others. Each type of investment has its own characteristics and risks, so it's important to gather information and, if possible, seek the guidance of a financial advisor to choose the best options according to your goals and investor profile. Lastly, it's important to remember that compound interest also works in the opposite direction when it comes to debts. Credit cards and personal loans, for example, typically accrue compound interest on outstanding balances, which can cause the debt to grow rapidly if left unpaid. Therefore, while it's wonderful to see your money grow with compound interest in investments, it's crucial to avoid falling into the trap of compound interest on debts. With planning and discipline, you can use this powerful concept to your advantage and reach your financial goals more quickly. Furthermore, knowing how to budget is a basic skill, yet often overlooked. A well-made budget is like a map that guides you toward your financial goals. It allows you to visualize your income and expenses, helping you identify where you can cut costs and how much you can save and invest. Without this control, it's easy to get lost in unnecessary spending and end up far from achieving your financial goals. Financial planning is an essential tool to ensure that your money works for you, rather than being a constant source of worry. Financial planning basically involves knowing how much you earn, how much you spend, and how you can save and invest to achieve your life goals. It can be as simple as jotting down your expenses in a notebook or using a spreadsheet on the computer. The idea is to have a clear picture of your finances to make more informed decisions. To start, the first step is understanding your current financial situation. This means listing all your sources of income and all your expenses. Include everything, from salary to small expenses like that daily cup of coffee. By doing this, you'll be able to see exactly where your money is going and identify areas where you can cut unnecessary expenses. This is a fundamental step because without knowing where the problem lies, it's difficult to correct it. After understanding your financial situation, it's time to set goals. What do you want to achieve with your money? It could be getting out of debt, saving for a trip, buying a house, or ensuring a comfortable retirement. Setting clear and realistic goals helps maintain focus and motivation. It's important that these goals are specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound, a technique known as SMART: specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, time-bound. With your goals in mind, the next step is to create a budget. A budget is a plan for how you'll spend your money each month. It should include all your fixed expenses, like rent or mortgage, utilities, and groceries, along with a portion allocated for savings and investments. The key to a successful budget is discipline. This means sticking to the plan as closely as possible and avoiding impulse purchases. Over time, a good budget can help build up significant savings. Investing is a crucial part of financial planning. Investing your money is the best way to make it grow over time. There are many investment options, from traditional savings to stocks and real estate funds. The choice of investment will depend on factors like your risk profile, goals, and time frame. Remember that all investments involve risks, so it's important to research thoroughly and, if possible, consult with an expert. With patience and consistency, financial planning can transform your relationship with money and help achieve a more secure and fulfilling financial life. Creating a detailed budget is like controlling your expenses and maximizing your savings. Think of it as a flight plan that ensures you stay on course. Keeping track of all your expenses and income helps identify areas where you can save. And it's not just about cutting costs, it's also about maximizing the efficiency of every dollar coming in and out of your pocket. A good budget is flexible, allowing for adjustments as needed, but rigid enough to keep you on track. Finally, making regular adjustments to your financial planning is essential to staying on course. Life is full of surprises, and your financial plan should be dynamic enough to adapt to changes. Revisiting your goals and adjusting your budget periodically ensures you're always aligned with your objectives. It's like adjusting the rudder of a boat. Small corrections can make a big difference in your final destination. Skills development is another key pillar to increasing your income. Identifying and acquiring skills in demand in the job market is like preparing for a marathon. You need to train and equip yourself properly. The most sought-after skills may vary, but areas like technology, digital marketing, and project management are in high demand. Investing time and effort to learn these skills can open doors you never imagined existed. Taking part in free or low-cost online courses is an effective way to acquire new skills without breaking the bank. Platforms like Coursera, Udemy, and LinkedIn Learning offer a plethora of courses in various fields. And the best part is, you can learn at your own pace, fitting study around your schedule. These courses not only increase your knowledge, but also show employers that you're committed to your professional development. Furthermore, don't underestimate the power of certifications. Having a recognized certification in your field can be a huge advantage in the job market. They not only validate your knowledge, but also enhance your credibility and employability. In a competitive market, any extra advantage can be the edge you need to triple your income in 6 months. Now that you understand the importance of having a solid foundation in financial education and the crucial role of financial planning, let's move on to the next topic: entrepreneurship. Starting a business may seem like a daunting challenge, but it doesn't have to be something massive or complicated. Often the best business ideas are those that solve simple, everyday problems. Imagine identifying a need in your community, like the lack of a good bakery or an efficient delivery service, and finding a way to fill that gap. You don't need to start with a huge investment. Many successful businesses began in a garage or with a very modest initial capital. Using e-commerce platforms is also an excellent way to start a business with low costs. Websites like Shopify and even social media platforms like Instagram and Facebook can be powerful sales channels. If you have a talent for crafts, for example, you can start selling your creations online. Or perhaps you're good at home repairs. Creating a profile on service platforms can help you find clients quickly. The important thing is to start and gradually adjust the course as you learn and gain experience. Networking is another key factor for financial success. Expanding your network may seem intimidating, but think of it as cultivating relationships that can lead to opportunities. Participating in events, associations, and interest groups not only increases your chances of meeting influential people, but also of learning from them. Often, a simple conversation can lead to a job opportunity or a business partnership. And don't forget about social media. LinkedIn is a powerful tool for professional networking. Keeping an updated profile and interacting with other professionals in your field can open many doors. Additionally, participating in forums and online groups related to your field of interest can be an effective way to expand your network without leaving home. For those in need of some extra cash quickly, seeking out ways to earn extra income can be the solution. Freelancing is a great option, especially if you already have skills that can be monetized, such as graphic design, writing, programming, or translation. Platforms like Upwork, Freelancer, and Fiverr connect freelancers with clients worldwide, allowing you to work on various projects and earn extra money. Another way to generate additional income is by offering services in your community. Think about tasks that people need, like gardening, cleaning, repairs, or even tutoring. These activities can not only help increase your income, but also build a customer base that may recommend your services to others. Smart use of technology is essential nowadays. Technology not only facilitates the search for remote work opportunities, but also the promotion of products and services. Remote work apps like TopTal, RemoteOK, and FlexJobs can help you find jobs that fit your skills and schedule. Additionally, using social networks to promote what you do can significantly increase your visibility and consequently your revenue. Let's talk about investments. Learning about accessible investments like Treasury Direct, stocks, and even cryptocurrencies can be a game changer. You don't need to be a finance expert to start investing. The important thing is to start with small amounts and gain experience. Platforms like EasyInvest, XP Investimentos, and other brokerage firms offer free educational materials that can help you better understand the financial market and make more informed choices. Debt management is another crucial point. Developing a plan to efficiently pay off existing debts prevents interest from accumulating and becoming a snowball effect. Prioritize debts with higher interest rates and avoid creating unnecessary new debts. Tools like debt control spreadsheets or financial apps can help monitor and manage your financial obligations more effectively. The sharing economy can be an excellent way to increase your income without major investments. Participating in shared economy initiatives such as paid ride-sharing, room rentals, or even utilizing platforms like Airbnb and Uber can generate significant additional income. These platforms allow you to use resources you already have, like your car or your home, to earn extra income. Personal development cannot be overlooked. Investing in self-awareness and interpersonal skills development is crucial. Participating in support groups or mentorship programs can provide valuable insights and guidance from more experienced individuals. These interactions not only enhance your skills, but also expand your network, creating more growth opportunities. Time management is essential for balancing multiple income sources. Learning to effectively manage your time ensures that you can dedicate yourself adequately to each activity without becoming overwhelmed. Prioritizing activities that yield higher financial returns and eliminating unnecessary tasks can make a significant difference in your productivity and, consequently, your income. Personal branding is the key to standing out in the job market. Developing an attractive professional profile on platforms like LinkedIn and learning to convincingly sell your skills can open many doors. Using social media to build a strong personal brand and showcase your achievements and abilities can attract job and business opportunities. Last but not least, it's crucial to seize local opportunities. Identifying and seizing business or job opportunities in your community can be an effective way to increase your income. Collaborating with local companies that may need temporary or specific services can generate additional income and also build a solid reputation in your community. Discipline and persistence are essential for achieving any financial goal. Maintaining financial discipline and consistency in work are what will ensure that you stay on the right track. Establishing a routine that favors the achievement of financial goals helps maintain focus and motivation, even in the face of challenges. Now that you know the powerful strategies to triple your income in 6 months, it's your turn to act. And remember, the difference between success and failure lies in your ability to apply what you've learned. So are you ready to take the next step and transform your financial life? Have you thought about which of these tips you will implement first? Imagine what your life would be like with tripled income. What dreams would you fulfill? What worries would disappear? And if you think that's impossible, I want you to think about all the examples of people who started right where you are now. What did they have that was different? Nothing but determination and a willingness to change. And you could be the next success story. Now, drop your biggest financial goal for the next 6 months in the comments below. I really want to know and help you achieve those goals. And if you found this information valuable, share it with someone who needs to hear it today. So are you up for this challenge? Let's embark on this journey towards financial freedom together. Oh, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell so you don't miss any tips that could transform your life. Until next time. And remember, the power to change your life is in your hands. Let's do this.